How to fix action needed when connecting Windows laptop to Wi-Fi. 1. Disable the NCSI probe from Windows registry. To do so, set 0 to enable active probing at hp_local_machine/system/current control set /services/endless/vc/parameters/internet in Windows registry. Reboot your laptop. 2. Disable NCSI problem from group policy objects. To do so, enable specify passive polling at computer configuration /administrative templates /network connectivity status indicator in group policy editor.